Hey y'all, so basically, I'm here because I sort of want to give y'all like a timeline of what's been going on. So I've been recording since Valentine's Day Eve. However, I feel like it's kind of jumbled, so that's why I wanted to sort of give a timeline. So in this video, what you're going to see is um, my Snapchat clips of when I made babe breakfast. It was cute too. The flowers and the big box of Ferrero Rocher chocolate. Excuse me, I don't know how to say it, but you'll see in a minute. And also dinner. I was gonna put the whole thing together, like everything I did Valentine's Eve night. Let me tell y'all what happened. First of all, I've been so busy working on my brand, my spice, and just working in general, and totally forgot to get him a Valentine's Day gift, and also to have time to think about being creative. But I did what I could. I made it work, and he was happy. It was small, but it worked because it was more sentimental than anything. So that part will be in tomorrow's vlog, because a part of the gift that he gave to me is he asked me out on a date. So I don't know where we're going. That's why I went and got my hair fixed and done or whatever. I didn't do too much because I'm getting a whole makeover for when I come back from my new shows in April. So I don't want to spend money on anything vain until they get me together. So anyway, that's what you're going to see in this video. So basically, you're going to see what I made on my Snapchat clips. You're going to see the flowers and the candy, and you're going to see the dinner that I made. And tomorrow, you're going to see me panicking and going through the motions. Valentine's night Eve. I left out my house, 10 o'clock? It's a mess. It was a mess, y'all. Y'all going to see all of that. I'm going to attach that to tomorrow's vlog, which is our date. So I hope y'all enjoy it. Enjoy me just overthinking and doing too much per usual. What have I been up to lately? I have been packing, throwing things out. It's now down to the wire. Only a couple more weeks until we move. You know what? Things happened in my life, but I can't dwell on bad things. I have to keep dwelling on the good and the positive. The more positive I think, the more positive my life will be. So that's that. I am happy, however, very happy. I'm happy in my marriage. I'm happy with myself. My health has been doing tremendously better. And it's a couple other things. But like I said, all of this will reveal itself in April. However, let's keep it cute with what's going on right now. And I will catch you guys tomorrow when I leave for my date. Okay, guys. Bye. Alright, y'all, so I'm about to work on dinner. Right now I'm about to make some cheesy pepper rice. I have poblano and red pepper. This is optional. This is just another way I want to throw together a different kind of rice. You don't have to do it. Over here I have my salmon, and this is seasoned with my spice. This spice drops April 7th. Make sure you're subscribed to me so you don't miss every single thing that's coming soon. You can season your salmon however you want to. Alright, y'all, this is my white rice. You can use brown rice, and this is long grain white rice. So now I'm going to add this to the pepper. I actually washed it, so you can see it's already washed. What you want to do is you want to saute your rice with the vegetables for about 3 minutes, and then we're going to add some chicken broth and season it with salt and pepper. Alright, so now you're just going to add your chicken stock broth. Alright, once it comes back up to a boil as it's doing right now, you're going to cover it and allow it to cook to the directions on the back of your package. Alright you guys, so I have my sharp cheddar cheese right here. So once the rice is done cooking, I'm going to sprinkle this all in there and mix it up, and that's it for the rice. Alright you guys, so I added some lemon to my salmon. I'm going to add the juice as well. I forgot the honey. And I'm also going to add some honey, just for some sweetness. And it's also going to create a little juice. And I'm going to just keep basting my salmon with the honey. Okay guys, so now this is the rice right here. I already fluffed it up a bit. It smells and tastes so good. Make sure you added your salt and pepper. You're going to add your cheese. Yes, your cheese. I know someone's going to be looking at me crazy. Maybe I should switch to a fork. And we're back. So I'm switching to a fork. What you basically want to do is just fluff it. And you're going to cover it back up and just put it back on the stove. Allow the hot rice in the hot pot to do its own job. You don't need to keep mixing and mixing and mixing and mixing. Just get it, you know, distributed evenly. This, I can't. I swear, this is why I follow my gut so much when I cook. Like, I don't care what anyone else is doing. I do my own thing. Here we go, y'all. So, this is what it looks like. As you can see, the cheese melted on its own, and you can still see the grains of the rice. I didn't want it to look like mac and cheese. So, you know. And this is the salmon right here. It smells amazing. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. Hope you enjoyed this quick vlog. I'll see y'all on my next
Valentine's Day.
From Babe. Bye y'all. Yes, I'm making a whole entire video for this because, well, he does things to me all the time, but my husband is the first guy outside of my father to ever get me flowers. Like, and these are so beautiful. Oh, and my chocolate, my favorite chocolate. He remembered my favorite chocolate on the planet. Let me see. These are kind of, they're so pretty and big. I'm so happy. I'm over there cheesing like a... But anyway, yes, I'm making a whole entire video because you know what? He deserves me talking about it. He deserved me getting, you know, showing him, telling him that he, you know, about his effort. So, thank you, babe. Happy Valentine's Day to everyone. Happy Valentine's Day to my husband, my friends, family, and yep. I have a whole bunch of stuff coming. If you don't want to see it, click off. But yeah, bye y'all.